I'm opening this yellow door. I'm leaving. I'm sorry, Pen. And I'm sorry. I'm
Pez.
shutting it behind me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I shut it. I'm sorry because I thought they were there.
You literally stood there for about 20 minutes looking about and not a single person was in sight.
Connie's opened the porch door.
Connie.
Get off the.
Just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
You'll die.
No! I'm here. I'm here. Why is it shut? Oh my god! Go, go, go!
No way! You're in the same game. You were in the same game.
Did Pen leave
And
me?
Pen, you left Eri's game. You did. I literally saw it.
El Señor Comunista. What does it look like? It looks like a mirror, does it not? Or what if it's like a cable with like a bit at the bottom and a bit at the left and it's like wrapped up in a circle? You don't believe me. I'm gonna go round the side. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, how was I running like that? That was like very helpful. Oh, chicken. Careful, you chickeny bitch. You headed straight for it. That was you? And it didn't help everyone being wriggly little worms. Grandpa doesn't like worms. Wait, did you unlock an exit? Oh, yeah. Turn right, turn right. Right there, right there. The gate's gonna shut. You need to come out left. You need to come out here. Then you come back to tank hits. Go out the gate, go out the gate. Yeah, go out the gate, it's gonna shut. Oh my god, the gate literally was just about to shut.
Gotta find it help.
This side, oh my god, Finn! Finn, I really can't deal watching you play, I really can't deal. Someone's being chased right there. Don't open it, don't open it. Cook's locked it. Hitchhiker's right there. No, turn it off! Bitch! I'm gonna grapple with him. I'm gonna do it. I got him! I'm gonna punch him in the face. Go!
Dude, can you just like ready up? That way when the next person comes in, that they already up and we can play a game rather than them coming in and going, oh look, there's a person AFK, I'm gonna go find a new lobby.
Are we in? No.
Just a thought.
A bag of rice, it's me, Jacob Kustos. A bag of rice. I now have a mic. Answer me, a bag of rice.
Leave bro alone.
Anna, it's me. Jacob, it's me, Anna. Hey, I am. Ew, what am I doing? Fucking love you. I think if I come around here, he won't expect it. Or why don't we have our backs to like the long road to the house? Oh my god! Yeah, shove him over onto the electric fence. Shove him. Crowd, teabag. We'll have to run our separate ways. Why is Connie still there? Connie, you silly girl. Why was Bubba upstairs? No one set foot upstairs all game. And I shouted at you. Why do you always go upstairs? Go through the wall here. You were like, I don't know. I want to be lole 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 lole. I want to be Leland. What about that too? Come. Yes. Oh, nice job. Nice. Bubba's coming round the long way. Oh no. Nice. I didn't see that. Oh my god, Pim! You know it, you get it, you get it!
They're not even on Leland. Bros. Oh! Oh my goodness!
I see a
Wow,
valve
they want
handle.
you to run
Shit, I
away
just
from
up the bone. I
place.
didn't see that.
Promising.
No.
Fuck, what the hell? I'm dead when I go down there. I'll bleed out. Oh, you got the valve gate. You have to go for it, I think. They've all seen you. Shit. Go on. It's right there, watch out for any traps. You've made it. Look, I need to do the countdown. I need to do the countdown because you've done it every time and it's just not worked because you're doing it, alright?
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Lole, lole, lole. That will make it work. Now you've got to manifest. Pin, me. I'm not manifesting us any characters because that's being greedy, alright, Pin? Stop. And then I'm just putting us in the same game. Don't care if I'm playing Sunny, don't care if it's on a slaughterhouse. Just as long as we're in the same lobby. Slam it in his face or something, I don't know. Getting cut off by Bubba is the scariest thing. Shit. Wait, executed? What?
Bro is not your bro.
What could blood possibly want? Why? Hitchhiker's actually so zesty. Do you think he'll see me?
Oh.
While he's picking up that.
Bro just had to remind you.
Why are they just prancing around the house? Leave! They're actually just doing circuits around the main house. Let me out! Where's Joel Danny? Because she was not supposed to be here from the get-go. Oh, Joel Danny, look what you've done. What's on your plate?
Shut up.
Cheese and chapati. What's on your plate? He went. There he is. See, he would have seen me. Look at him having all the fun in the world. I bet he's giggling like while he's running around.
I just don't imagine I'm doing that, but it's alright.
Well, actually, he does do that, and he has voice lines that do that. So, and he runs around going, "I'm a little sissy bitch. She doesn't need to leave the house." This is the big run now. I need to run all the way down to that barn.
That's so embarrassing!
Swing him this.
No way! He has to see you at some point!
Shit, I tried. I really did try. Oh my god, this Bubba. Uber Jenkins. I'll go to Cook's bedroom. I think he expected it that time and he didn't follow me. Oh my god. Booba Jenkins! Right. Oh, it locks your screen there for a second. Shit, that's so not fair. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die. Wait. Run, bitch. I get it. Oh my god. No, I need to recover. Recover, bitch. Smack him out of it, because I would if this was real life, just so you know. I'm dead. That's one tap hit, right? Unless he fucked up. Get straight through there. Then you know what? You know what's next?
Did you know
Shit, they're both there.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Leatherface has got someone. That's what happens. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, bitch. Whoa. Told you my trap comes in handy.
Well,
Yo,
you've been very quiet.
GG, everyone. GG. Well done. Good game.
The Connie was shit.
I'm
Killed
sorry
everyone,
for
yeah.
killing you, Pin. I'm sorry for killing
No,
you.
no, no, you're all good.
You scared the shit out of me first of all.
You scared me. What are you talking about?
You scared me. I put the trap down by the door, ran round, and then you were coming to. I was like,
Hell, I was being chased out. I literally was screaming. This is horrible. I was like, no.
I'm so sorry. I should have let you survive.
No,
Leatherface is
fine.
right there.
It's fine. It's whatever, I guess.
You need bone shard and you just like click.
Are they gone? I think
Yep, off that bitch. Fucking go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. I tried to grab that health, it didn't pick it up. Should be a thing just here. Why does she keep crouching? Oh my god! There's no way! I'm so good, I'm actually really good at this game.
I know they're still around here somewhere. Be careful.
They're still getting the fuck up, oh my god. I know my way around.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. It seems I've lost them.
I made it out! Oh my god, I made it out of there! That closed quickly. I can't believe it, Pin! I cannot believe it! What is this game? Oh, that was such a fun game with that guy. I genuinely just thought at every second he was gonna turn around and call me a slur. But it was so fun, it added to the horror.